Buenos dias and welcome back to Barcelona. It's actually the same position where I left off in my last video. So yeah, it's like I never left. No, the days went by real quick at my house, and yeah, now it's 11:30. The taxi driver actually just dropped me off, and I have some time on my hands. In a few moments we go for lunch, me and my colleague who lives here and also was kind enough to already wash the truck. So yeah, that's all done already. It's very good. I can relax a little bit better, and then we start parking at 2 like always, but I think we're about 4 p.m. and we can park the truck, because yeah, we're one of the later teams to park this time around. So yeah, it is what it is. We wait a little bit, maybe have a little sleep on the bed, and then be fully charged for setting up everything today and tomorrow. And yeah, it's gonna be a long trip. So first is this one, and then it's off to Misano. We're doing this one back to back, and then also Misano test, plus packing for India. So it's a lot of work, and yeah, it's this very busy time of the year now. So this is a double, and then the next one is also a double, and then we go to a triple and another triple. So 10 races to go, 2 tests, and in just a few weeks. Yeah, it's gonna be tough, but yeah, we knew this was going to happen. We knew the calendar already a long time, so yeah, we just have to man up and go through it. So and you guys are along for the ride, so I hope you guys like it, and I see you later. So that's another weekend in the books. Not really much to say about this weekend, except yeah, we scored just 1 point. So you want to say anything about the weekend, Francia?
For the moment, trip okay, sunshine, eat and drink and go.
So yeah, you heard him. I drive together with Francia, my colleague. He's a mechanic of the Nakagami bike, and yeah, it's only 1200 kilometers, but yeah, with the two of us, with this back to back, it's just a little bit easier, and we do one shift now, and then tomorrow the rest, and hopefully we can do tomorrow also the truck wash, and be off on Tuesday morning before we park, and then do another weekend. So yeah, let's wait and see how that goes. For now, yeah, enjoy the trip, and see you guys later. So, and just like that, we are in Misano, Italy. Let me tell you, the trip was quite hard. Sunday to Monday, like not a lot of sleep. I think like 3 hours only. We pushed well into the night and then started again very early the next morning. And yeah, that gave us the advantage of not a lot of traffic around Nice and Monaco. But and we got here early. I think we washed the truck and parked it at a holding area at 4 p.m. which gave us around 24 hours of relax time, because the next day we were, well, the last to park. So yeah, there was, I think we parked at 4:30, 5 almost, so 24 hours of relaxing time. And yeah, I just decided to take the scooter, drive around a little bit, because the area is really nice. And I went to Tavilla, so yeah, everybody knows what place that is. Of course, the home of Valentino Rossi. And yeah, after that, parked the truck already, and today it's Wednesday, so my colleagues will arrive really soon as well. And then we build up the pit box and do the weekend again. Yeah, let's see what happens this weekend. We have another second rider, and so yeah, let's see how he does. Don't expect too much, to be fair, but yeah, let's see. And after our race weekend, we have also one test day, and then it's packing to go to India. But yeah, that's going to be the next video. So after the test, I will speak to you again. See you later. And here we are again, back in the Netherlands. I'm again waiting at the train station at Schiphol Airport to go back to my house. And maybe, as you can see, I'm quite tired. It's been a long 2 weeks, and yeah, of course results aren't there still. Test was also quite long, and yeah, not really the answer to our problems yet, but let's hope HSC will keep working on that. and yeah, no more we can do. I just go home now, relax. I really need it a little bit. And yeah, next up is India and Japan. So off for the flyaways. It's I think now a double and then 2 triples. So yeah, busy days ahead, and yeah, let's see what yeah, the future brings. For now, I really hope you guys like this video again, and yeah, if you did, of course, again, do the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I hope to see you in the next one. Ciao, bye bye.